Do you remember we learned to form simple sentences using just the subject pronoun, the verb and a noun? Do you remember those sentences? Yes. So now we are going to learn la négation, which is the negative sentences. How do we make a sentence negative? For example, je suis français. This sentence means I am French. It means it is a positive sentence. To make a positive sentence into a negative sentence, it is a very simple rule. So, what is the rule to make a positive sentence into a negative sentence? You have to first read the sentence, identify the verb, and you have to add na before the verb and pa after the verb. So you have to add na before the verb and pa after the verb. For example, see this sentence. Je suis français. I am French. Now, to make this sentence into negative, you would say je. So what? First we have to identify the verb. Which is the verb here? Suis. What is the verb? It is the être verb. Do you remember the conjugation for être? For je, it is suis. So, before the verb, we will add na. And after the verb, you will add pas. Je ne suis pas français. It means I am not French. Easy, isn't it? So, let us see some more sentences. For example, j'aime ce roman. It means I like this novel. J'aime ce roman. So, first we have to read the sentence, identify the verb. Which is the verb in this sentence? Yes, it is aime. The verb is aimer. Do you remember the word aimer? It means to like. Yes, so I like this novel. So, here this is an apostrophe. So, we would write je. Before the verb, what will you add? Na. And aime. But, as you can see, there is a vowel clash here. So what would we do when there is a vowel clash? We would remove this vowel and place the apostrophe here. So we have placed n before the verb. So what is the next step? We have to place pas after the verb. So je n'aime pas ce roman. Je n'aime pas ces romans. I do not like this novel. So, using 3 simple steps, we have converted a positive sentence into a negative sentence. What are the 3 steps? Can you say it with me? We need to identify the verb. And then we need to add na before the verb and pa after the verb. Simple, isn't it? So, shall we try some more sentences?